In this video I am showing you a rather rare MSX device. The Philips Graphic Tablet NMS 1150. I will unbox the tablet and test it with a short basic program on a MSX1 computer. After that I will also test if the pad works with the Philips MSX-Designer application on MSX2. I hope you enjoy the video and sorry for using AI voice, but my tongue is Swiss German and both my High German and my English have strong accent and sound terrible. Now, let's start the video. The NMS 1150 pad is still in its original box from around 1987. NMS stands for New Media System. The box contains the graphic tablet, the pen, and the original instruction manual in 6 languages: English, French, German, Dutch, Italian, and Spanish. There is also a 3.5-inch MSX-Designer floppy disk, which I have put in the box. It was not part of the original delivery. The specifications of the graphics tablet are: it measures 296 by 210 by 18 mm and it weighs 700 grams. The resolution is 256 by 256 pixels. Both the pad and the pen have one button each. The interface to MSX Computer is the 9-pin joystick plug and the pen interface is a 3.5 mm jack plug. I will now test the tablet on an MSX1 computer. MSX-Basic has one command for reading the touchpad. It's called pad X. The function reads joystick port 1 if X is 0, 1, 2 or 3 and joystick port 2 if X is 4, 5, 6 or 7. The value returned has the following meanings for each value of X: 0 or 4 returns -1 if the pad is touched and 0 if not. 1 or 5 returns the X coordinate of the area touched. 2 or 6 returns the Y coordinate of the area touched. 3 or 7 returns the status of the switch. The following basic program will show the actual status of the tablet: yes or no, whether the pen is touching the pad, and whether a button is pressed. It also returns the X and Y coordinates of the current pen location on the tablet. Finally, the program will end if either button is pressed for the duration of approximately 5 seconds. I have discovered an error in the program code. The 0 at the Y coordinate should not be there. I am now pressing the button of the pen for 5 seconds in order to end the program and fix the error. All values are now displayed correctly. You see the status of the switch changes from no to yes if I push the button. The same applies for the touchpad status as soon as I touch the pad with the pen. Also, the X and Y coordinates of the touch location are displayed. While writing the test program, I got the idea that this could perhaps be modified into a simple game. Now let's see if we really can turn this short basic program into a simple game. The plan is the following. The computer will randomly choose an X and Y value between 0 and 255. Your challenge is to touch the X and Y coordinates on the tablet according to the values chosen by the computer. Try to be as fast as possible because there is a counter running whenever the pen touches the tablet. You've won the game once you've located and touched the correct position on the tablet. The quicker you are, the higher the score. Sweet, the program seems to run well. Notice the randomly chosen X and Y values and the increasing touch counter whenever the pen touches the tablet. Now use the pen and hit on the given coordinates. Good luck! Of course, this is only a very simple and easy version of the game. But there is plenty of room for improvement. Several difficulty levels could be added, for example by a time window in which the spot has to be hit. And with each new level the time window will become smaller. Or the coordinates could change during the time window, or a target appears on screen for a few seconds and has to be hit. And last but not least, a proper high score table could be implemented as well. Finally, let's see if the tablet also works with MSX graphics applications. I have chosen MSX-Designer for the test. This time, I will use the Philips VG-8020 MSX1 Computer. Please disregard my very limited drawing skills. I am no Bob Ross. And also, I am a bit struggling to get used to the handling of a graphics tablet. I still use it more like a mouse by pulling the pen over the pad instead of directly pointing at the desired position. I must admit that I've imagined it would be easier, but I actually need more practice. After some practice, this is the result of another try.